Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix this. So in order to fix the Wi-Fi name not showing issue, you guys have to reset your network settings. So after resetting your network settings, you guys can easily fix your all issues related to your Wi-Fi network or data network. So in order to reset your Wi-Fi settings, you guys have to simply go to your phone settings, and here you guys have to simply search for network reset. So after searching for network reset, you guys will be able to see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth devices. You guys can also find it in network settings. So after finding this reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, you guys have to simply go to Wi-Fi. So after coming to that setting, you guys have to simply tap on reset setting in that below. So after tapping on it, it will ask you for password for confirmation, and you guys have to just allow it, and your Wi-Fi issue will be fixed in this way. I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.